Hello, good day. Welcome back my vlog, Randy vlog. So today we are cooking cabbage with egg. Okay, this is my dinner for tonight. So first, and cabbage and red chili, onion, and 4 egg. So and red pepper and also black pepper. So we cook by fried. This is the bread from Arabic bread, like call in Greek is a pitis. Pitis bread. Yes. Salt. And now the egg is ready. So we need to prepare now. First salt. Then after the cabbage. Or first, wait. Yeah, red pepper. Yeah, cabbage first. Yes, cabbage. Then after that, red pepper and onion. So we cook this like a fried egg with the cabbage. So this kind of food is very nice. So if you have the cabbage and egg in your refrigerator, so it's easy to cook this for lunch or dinner. So I cook now dinner because I don't have time to cook another recipe. Easy. This is very easy. Okay. So watch and see how nice this food. Okay, it's ready to eat now. Okay. Wow. It's very nice. Cabbage and egg. If you have cabbage and egg, you feel it nice. Yummy. Wow.